In this video, we'll be going over menu settings and how menus interact with screens. Now it's time to check out the menu options from the right-hand toolbar over here. What appears first is the style options for the main menu. This menu is different from the list of screens that you can see over here on the left and is where users will navigate the majority of content sections of your app. There are a number of different menu styles that you can select. However, unless you're building an app from scratch, we do recommend using the one that comes with your app template or finding a similar one, as they were selected to interact best with that app's particular content in the best way possible. Let's change this menu up for fun though. Our current push-in menu is highlighted and looks like this. Let's change to a slide-in menu and see what happens. Just click Change Style. You can now see the slide-in menu reflected on your app screen over here. Remember, you can always test these out in Preview and in the Fliplet Viewer app to see how end users would experience this menu. If you hop over to the Menu Links toolbar up here, you can see there are three menu options. Hide Menu, which erases your hamburger menu completely. All Screens, which would make every single screen a direct link from your main menu. This is fine if you don't have a lot of screens and if each screen has mostly static content. Finally, there's the custom menu. Most users will likely wind up with a custom menu. Oftentimes, you'll have many screens that are only accessible through other screens or by clicking buttons, so these wouldn't necessarily need to be in your main menu. Some apps wind up with 20 plus screens, and as you can imagine, having a menu with 20 separate items would be overwhelming to a user. Let's switch to a custom menu and see what that would look like. By default, all your screens from the left are listed in your custom menu, but if there are some that you know you won't be needing right away, or that are only accessible through others, you can go ahead and delete them from the menu now, like our test screen. Simply click the red trash can to delete the menu item. To add it back, click Add Menu Link at the bottom. You can see that there's a new menu link now here. I'm going to change the title back to Test. Select an icon. We'll just select the plus icon for now. And we'll select a screen. Let's select our test screen. There are other link options like go to a web page, open a document, play a video, etc., just like our link options that we saw before. Let's save our new menu item. And we can reorder it by dragging and dropping it from the bottom of the list up to the top. Now you can save your menu and test it out in Preview to make sure you're happy with it.